If you're knowledgeable and you have little bit of understanding of how human brain works, human psychology, you're addressing a home buyer, sellers, or other person who wants to do something in real estate. You're addressing their fears, you're addressing their concerns, you're guiding them towards the right source. You may not be that. Just keep in mind that you don't have to grab every person who comes to you for help. Guide them to the right source. They will trust you more because you didn't try to trap them and tell them that, oh, I'm awesome, I'm best, I'll do this for you, I'll do that for you. You have to come to me. You can't go anywhere else. There is no other better source than I am. Don't do that. Just tell them that, okay, this is what you need to do, and this is the person or the company or the platform you need to go to. Whatever they tell you, come back and we will discuss it together, and then we will see if that is the best thing for you. And they will respect you, they will come to you, they will regard you, they will send people to you. This is authentic, this is tried, tested, and this yields results. Because as I said, like if you put yourself in their shoes, when you started your real estate career, you needed a lot of help in the beginning. We all do, guidance, help. You would wonder that if there are any mentors, any guides where you can go and you can seek help without them selling something to you or charging something to you. You would respect, you may still respect them for doing that in the beginning of your career. Likewise, a person buys one or maximum two, houses or properties in their lifetime. They cannot learn. This industry is so fragmented and so dynamic. By the time they come around to buy the next one, it changes. So they need help again. And then every day, I guarantee you, in 6 months, you reach out to 120 people, and I guarantee you somebody in their circle is always buying, selling, or doing something with real estate. Is that not enough? What else you want? 10% interest rate. We may not go to 10%. We are around 7% now. There are products available at below 7%. We are in Caroline County. Caroline County's entire, county is USDA approved for zero down and low interest. It's guaranteed by the United States Department of Agriculture. Loans are guaranteed, so they're cheaper loans. And if you know that, you can help your customers, the customers who are at the borderline, who are on the Fredericksburg, Stafford side, or on the Richmond side, where they may not get that USDA deal. Like 5 miles, either way, and they may be in a very good product area. Their affordability all of a sudden may change. Likewise, whichever your jurisdiction is, there are programs available where you can help them, but you have to know that first to help them. Any questions, any comments? Anyone wants to say anything, they're very, very welcome now or later. Since we agreed that we don't know black magic, Kelly will share her links. You can go to LinkedIn, Kelly, Mortgage Z, CPAC, all are on all social media. Reach out anywhere from any time without hesitation. You don't have to buy or do any business with any one of us. We are always here to help.
I have an important question.
Yes, sir.
So if someone wants to get started in real estate, how can your organization help them get started?
So very, very good question, Philip. And it's very simple. As I was saying earlier, when you start, you want to find a roadmap. Like, okay, I need to go somewhere. How do I go there? And somebody who's already gone that path is the best person to help you with that. We have gone certain path, my path, Kelly's path, other people who are in the team, or other real estate professionals who have gone that path. They can help them avoid all of those, challenges or problems that we went through. Like when I was getting license, I didn't know which school to go to. There are so many schools, and some offer something, some are expensive, some are online, some are. If somebody told me, instead of me wasting so many hours in just looking for that particular course that would be suited to my needs, that would have saved me a lot. Likewise, the licensing process. And then all these things that we know, somebody reiterates, if you hear them from a professional, from a guide, then it makes more sense. We have the platform that, as I was saying earlier, we set it up for housing community development, which incorporates all aspects of real estate, from basic licensing to basic training to investments to there's so many realtors, since you asked, they want to get into distressed properties, to auction properties, to bank-owned properties, REOs, but they don't know how to do that. And there's some who know that, which can tell them. There is a lot of information available online, but you want information specific to your region, your community, your area, your market segment, and it takes those little things, little tips, little guidance that can set them on their path. So every person has a specific journey and a specific situation. So how we can help is understanding their specific situation, their need, and guide them to whatever we understand is, appropriate choice for them or appropriate path. We, for example, there are many real estate professionals who come from working class, or they don't have savings, they have financial challenges. We reimburse them all of their training and licensing costs once they're licensed and they successfully complete it. So if they're borrowing, they're putting it on credit card, they know that they're hardworking, they will focus, they will get it done, and they will get their money back as well. And then we guide them. We don't, hold them hostage for all of that. They want to go elsewhere. We will help, guide, and support them in going wherever is appropriate for them. Does that answer your question?
Yeah, I believe so. So to be clear, if I were interested, for example, I would email Kelly and say, hey, how can you help me get started?
Yeah, of course. You tell them what part of real estate you want to go to, like mortgage, brokerage, title and closing, investment, flip properties, which part of real estate you want to go to. Kelly will, assess your situation, and she will help you with, okay, this seems like best discourse. Go talk to your friends, pals, do your research, and then decide that which direction you want to go to. And once you decide that, then we will tell them, okay, how to get, all the regulatory procedures, how to get done with all the business side of it, which company to go to, because initially you do not even know that what all these deductions that companies do, the fees they charge, the part of commission they take, and next thing you know is in 1 year you made so much money, but most of that has gone to the other company. So all these little things, yes.
Great, thank you.
Sure. Kelly, you want to say something, or anybody else wants to say something in this regard?
Just end with this, Dr. Khan, that you can send me an email at kelly@cpec.fund and ask any questions, whether or not you use any of our companies or services. I want to be able to answer your questions and help you go to the next level as a real estate agent, mortgage professional, or potential home buyer. So reach out, and also, subscribe to, I'll send you the link to subscribe to the cpec.fund YouTube channel so that you can get information at your leisure. And I do appreciate all of our viewers today.
I want to thank you, Kelly. I want to sum it up with two things. Number one, there is no bad economy for real estate. You must have heard the phrase that in real estate, all profit lies in buying, not selling, So whenever the economy goes down, prices come down, and then their investors, they get active in buying properties, or that's where they make money. You can help them. You can, see which area or which activity in that economy can work. And like I said earlier, regular home buyers keep buying, and people who are renting. You can go to apartment building. There's so many people who can afford houses, but they either have no clue, they don't have guidance, they're hesitant, they are scared. If you help them out, you will find it. So VHDA, first time home buyer program in Virginia, and similar programs in other states, they're very, very helpful in that. Do VHDA classes, get VHDA certification, talk to VHDA certified professional. They will help you in first time home buyer seminars. First time home buyers buy, anytime, because it is beneficial for them. They're wasting their money. Second thing I want to emphasize is that all these things that you think are little things, you have heard so many times, get up, reach out, organize, do. These are not little things. These are actually the things that if you do, you will feel and see the difference in your business. So don't be discouraged. Don't wait for good times and good markets to come. Do it now. Start today. Get into action. Make your list for the things to do for that day. As I said, if you reach out to one person in one day, and this is a human business, humanize it. Don't get into numbers and commissions and bricks and mortar and all that. Focus on people. Focus on people and focus on helping, and you'll get business there. That's our program for today. You're very welcome to, ask questions, seek guidance, help, whatever you want, anytime. I thank you very much for joining us today, and have a great day.